I'm sorry po ha, medyo, madali lang 'tong, pag-akyat ko kasi galing pa ako sa trabaho tapos, wala akong wala akong lakas ngayon kasi mahina talaga, galing pa kami nag-inventory. Sorry, sorry talaga. Message ko lang muna team explanation, mag-una muna ako sa team explanation. Thank you sa mga ano ko, sa mga members ng Alpha Squad na nandiyan sa baba. Tumatawag talaga sila sa akin kasi akala nila tulog na ako. Ah, eto, team explanation ng Alpha Squad. So, letter A, as the letter A stands for Alpha, meaning first, we claim to be one. Despite on our differences and strangeness with each other, we hold on to our goal that we will be on top. So as letter A stands for amicable, characterized by friendliness and goodwill. Goodwill, peaceful, and cooperative. Letter L for lively, energetic, and spirited. Letter P for passionate, showing strong enthusiasm and dedication. H for humane behaviors we have are marked by compassion, mercy, and consideration for others. Letter A for ambitious, having a strong desire for success or achievement. And squad, a group of people having particular task, and our task is to be an alpha, whom someone has a feeling of solidarity and strong. We and and together we build a battalion bodies who always have your back, ensures that you are never alone. May it be inside or outside this platform, uplift each other and everyone to claim success. So that's our meaning for the Alpha Squad. So short message ko sa ating agency. Thankful po ako kay founder kasi sa trust na binigay niya sa akin, second time na po ako naging team leader. And sa mga previous ko na mga team na nasalihan ko, alam nila kung paano ko pinut up yung pagiging supportive ko. Lahat binubuhos ko po. And thankful po ako sa lahat sa mga members ko kasi hindi po nila ako pinabayaan. Thank you po. Ganun. Yun lang, short lang message kasi antok na. Sorry po, founder. Thank you. Happy New Year po.